Guys, today I'll be switching to the new Martoz Joystick. This is gonna be my first time ever using this, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video and like for more content videos. Enjoy. Okay, so I mapped my binds kind of to what I had on before this, and I'm just gonna crank real quick. Oh, well, hold on. Oh, I'm kind of spicy with it. Okay. I'm still trying to get used to my jump being S, like, and all, but, like, the rest is pretty much the same as my old binds. So I'm just having to, like, force my middle finger away from S right now, honestly. Skipping over it, kind of, is the only problem with this. But, yeah, I'm gonna warm up with this a little bit more, and then we're gonna go try it in arena, so let's do this. Okay guys, I'm gonna hop into a creative film match real quick before we actually go into a real arena game so I can actually test my skill. So let's go right into this and let's do it.
Okay.
Wow, lasered that kid, 99. Oh, clip, oh, nope. I actually thought I was about to clip that guy. Oh, let's go. I'm not that bad, let's go. I'm actually gonna do that.
Nice.
Hold up, oh.
Tell me if you need help, my guy.
Hold the clip. I'm gonna go for a clip.
I boxed him.
He's on me in the middle box. Let's go.
Oh,
We got
what
this,
the
we got
F?
this, we got this. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. Let's
I
go.
believe in you, man. Nice, man.
Okay guys, I know I have not that many arena points right now. I haven't played much arena this season overall, and yeah, hopefully next season whenever I get good at this joystick thing, I'll be grinding arena and grinding content videos for you guys. But yeah, right into the gameplay we go. Little bit low for this drop, but I'm gonna try to do it anyways. Hopefully there's some good loot down here and I can fight down the bottom. Anyway. Okay, you got an AR and a big pot. Let's hope my aim doesn't fail me now. There's a person right here? Oh wow. It's kinda scary, I'm not gonna lie. Let's go. Let's go, he's one shot. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We're insane. It's low-key messing with my sensitivity and like my aim because like I'm having to focus so much on mechanics right now. Because I can't really like build it all, so I have to really focus on that. Best aim. Let's go, guys. I'm so good at this game, honestly. Still trying to get used to my binds. It's kind of weird trying to play with them, but like I'm getting kind of used to it. Like I'm not too comfortable with them yet, but like I feel comfortable enough to like actually get into fights and stuff here. The fact that I'm a lower division right now too also helps a little bit, so like... Let's go, guys. I'm insane. Let's go. There's one more guy here, I think. I don't really know what my pickaxe spot is. I'm like over here struggling. Found him. I think he just dropped in there, I'm not really sure. Okay, so he's down here. I just don't really know. Yep, found him. Oh, GG's, guys. That was a good run for the first time using that, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.